It's the most refreshing act of I don't give a F that you've ever witnessed. One day at my old job, my old boss called everybody together because the upper management decided to cut some people out. This old lady overheard it from the bathroom, and then she zoomed out of there, grabbed her stuff and left before she could get properly fired. She then called the HR to tell them she was getting her paid vacation that was on hold, and hung up the phone before the HR could respond, and she turned off all possible contacts, like cell phone and emails. Then she took 30 days of paid vacation plus 4 days of paid sick leave plus 29 days of absence. In my country, the law says you can be absent for 29 straight days without being fired for just cause. When she came back, she was properly fired without just cause and got all benefits like unemployed insurance etc. Engineer was getting a lot of pressure put on him, lots of overtime the last couple of months, had a meeting and was getting bombarded with questions and a lot of hostile comments from management. He stopped for a few seconds and said I'm out of here and walked out of the meeting. The project came to a screeching halt which lasted 2 months until people came up to speed.